It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Thursday, the 22nd of December. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather warming up as we approach the Christmas weekend. The good news, no severe weather this year on Christmas Day like we had last year. But what about the next chance of rain? Let's go in there and check things out. Water vapor satellite view. You can see the upper high beginning to build across the Gulf of Mexico. That will be expanding, providing warm weather for Christmas weekend. Got a trough in the southwest United States. That'll set the stage for a major Christmas Day storm across the nation's heartland, but that will not affect us directly. Hey, feels pretty good today. 50s and 60s. Cullman 58, Birmingham at 64. We actually have a weak front coming in from the north. That's the reason it's cooler over the northern counties of the state, and we'll drop in the 30s tomorrow morning. But after that, we warm up nicely as we approach Christmas. Around the nation, pretty cold back in the northwestern states, but again, nothing like the brutal cold that was felt over the northern states about a week ago. If you're traveling, there's the watch warning map. The eastern part of the country is in pretty good shape. Most of the winter storm watches are in the western states, especially for the mountainous areas. In terms of severe weather on Christmas Day, there is a risk, not here, but across parts of the southern plains, parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, up into southern Nebraska. And again, that's for Sunday, December 25th. And you'll see the setup here in just a moment. Bigger rains just north of here. Some really good rain for Tennessee, Arkansas, and maybe extreme North Alabama. This is the rain valid through Thursday evening of next week. The rain for the next 7 days. But for the southern half of the state, rain amounts very, very light. Let's dive in. This is the 12Z GFS valid tomorrow at noon. Trough moving into the west coast. Down below that, we are dry, and the high will be in the low 60s in most spots. We'll call it partly sunny. Christmas Eve, this is Saturday, December 24th. The better chance of rain will be north of the state during the day. Now, this is during the pre-dawn hours Saturday morning. This is 3 a.m. There could be a few showers over the Tennessee Valley, but notice by 6 p.m., there is nothing there. The NAM showing nothing, the GFS showing nothing, so it sure looks like the bulk of the day Saturday will be dry. And again, we're going to be up in the mid-60s. Christmas Day, Sunday. Big storm across the Plain States. Blizzard conditions for parts of North Dakota, western South Dakota, and Nebraska and Wyoming. The chance of strong to severe storms south and east of that big surface low down through parts of Kansas and Oklahoma. But for us, we're just dry and very mild. Warm is the better word. A very good chance we top 70. In fact, the 12Z GFS is printing 75 at Birmingham. That's approaching the level we saw last year of 77. We'll go to Monday. The surface low moves up into Canada, the trailing cold front down to Little Rock. And again, there could be a few showers on Monday, but probably not many. The high still very mild, around 70. And this is Tuesday. That front stalls out north of the state. And again, we'll mention some risk of a shower, but no change in temperatures. We stay very mild. We'll be up there close to 70. Wednesday, same thing. Low 70s are possible. A lot of clouds around, but probably not much rain. And this is a week from today, Thursday, the 29th. Troughing to the north and west, and a more defined front with better pushes coming in here. So that should bring, hopefully, a decent chance of some beneficial rain toward Thursday and Thursday night of next week. And then this is Friday, December 30th. And that's a cold air mass coming in here. A 1043 high over Texas. Strong north winds. And this is right. Some folks near the Tennessee border could stay in the 30s all day. So cold air returns temporarily. Look at the anomalies for the end of next week. And again, this is Friday, December 30th. And you can see temperatures a good 15 degrees below average here. That would suggest highs in the 40s and lows in the 20s if this verifies. This is the end of the forecast period. Hey, New Year's Day, Sunday, 1/1/17. And again, that trough is lifted out, and for us, the weather just looks cool and dry for the New Year's weekend at this point. We'll check the numbers. Temperatures very mild this weekend for the first half of next week, and then the cold air comes in at the end of next week. And after that, temperatures look fairly seasonal into early January. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on television or the live stream, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.